I'm showing you how to work a problem like this that's in ALEKS that talks about rescaling things. I'm not going to work the problem, I'm just going to show you how to work the tools. So it's telling you that up here, this was made so that 1 unit equals 4 yards. So you can see that the figure is 1 unit wide, which means that it's 4 yards wide. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units tall. And each unit is 4 yards, so you have to make, so that means that it's 5 times 4 is 20 units tall. Over here the scale is one square is 2 yards, so you have to redraw it. So your answer should be a rectangle. You can put it anywhere on the grid, and here's how you make a rectangle. You're going to click on the segment tool, and you're going to put a point somewhere, and then depending on how many units it needs to be, I'm not putting the correct answer here. You have to figure out how many of these squares wide it's going to be the same size. That's the base. And then you pick the segment, and again, you place the first point, and then you go up however many units you think it needs to be tall to make it the same size according to that scale, and then finish it out. Click on that thing, come up, and then your fourth, click on that thing, and go over. Okay? Whoops. Let me try that again. Oh, unfortunately, we've got to do the whole thing, but you see the idea, I hope. Click, come up to where the end should be, click again, click on the first point, go over to where you think the end should be, click again, and then finally my fourth piece, click there, take it down to match, click there, and there's it is. Again, you need to figure out how many squares wide and how many squares tall it is. On the first picture, 1 square is 4 yards. On the second picture, 1 square is 2 yards. So I hope that's really helpful. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.